Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will show you how smoothly you can do a back gesture in Google Pixel 7 iPhones. In iPhone there is gesture navigation, but it is too much messy. Okay, sometimes it's not working. So in Google Pixel phones, it is very smoothly you can do that. You can see here I will show some kind of backing things. You can simply see that just swipe anywhere the screen, then it will be go back. So you can see that the difference in your phones, in your iPhone and your Google Pixel 7a. Pixel phones are basically one of the best for Android software experience phones. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.